Wow, look at that sun, golden hour, folks. Alright, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to do some fishing. That's about all I got. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if we're going to do a catch and cook. I don't know if this is going to just be a fishing video. You're just going to have to wait and find out. Stay tuned. Alright, well, we're here. What we've done is we went out, we caught some bait, we got a bunch of thread fins that we're going to chop up and use whole. And oh, look at all the bait that just came up. We got chum block out, bring up the snappers and groupers and whatnot, and then got rods, we got boat. We marked a rock in the shipping channel right by the skyway, and that's about it. That's all we have so far. And I'll let you know when we get our first nibble. Okay, we are now at a reef and we are chumming and trying to catch some snappers freelining. And we're getting hit. There's a giant storm either coming at us or it's going to be very close to us. Mackerel. Is that on the bottom?
No, it's free line in the thing out there.
Oh, I got one. No! Oh, it was a little skipjack.
Oh, what's that down there?
Oh, it was I don't know.
Mackerel.
Mackerel.
Mackerel down there.
There's mackerel.
What's up?
Bring the bait up here. That was easy. Hope y'all can see that. He ate it right next to the boat. Ow. There's blood everywhere. Oh, Damien just had one. Using seagrass to wipe my boat down. Oh gosh. Nice mackerel. Okay. That was quick. Okay. Got him. What's that? Mackerel? Yep, chum is fun. Eat it, boy. There you go. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't do that.
Nice one.
Another one following him. Ooh, nice one, man.
Put a bigger piece.
Oh, there's no one. There's two more underneath them.
Well, that's a nice size one there.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, right there, you just took it.
Oh, really?
Oh, right here, whole gang of them.
Oh, yeah.
I took it off and didn't even cut me.
Didn't even get one.
The other one opened it.
Got it right there.
There we go. Let's go for this piece of food. Cut you.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You want the cooler, please?
Nice one. Dang it, man. Yeah. Alright, folks, viewers, I might have to put you away soon. Looks like that rain's coming to us. Let's catch this in one mackerel first. Nope. Never mind. Just one more. Look how beautiful it is over there. And look how dark it is over here. That's a big one. Sorry, but you guys gotta go. Bye. Alrighty, folks. Update. We're back home. We didn't. The only thing we caught after, like, I put away the GoPro was like I think it was like a 11 or 12-inch snapper. And yeah, it rained a little bit. And then we went inshore, we caught one snook, and that was it.
It was truly caught.
He caught the snapper and the snook. Alright, so yeah. I'm gonna keep the YouTube name, Bro Fishing, have my charter name, X-Head Fishing, Instagram name. I haven't figured that out yet. Right now it's X-Head Fishing.
You'll figure it out.
I'll figure it out. Alright. Anyway, yeah, have a good day. See you next time.